Hello.
I miss.
Yeah. So now we are going to do substitution. Find the value of the following expressions. If P is equal to 4, Q is equal to minus 2, R is equal to 3 and S is equal to minus 5. So here you are already given the values of P, Q, R and S. What we are going to do? We are going to substitute these values in our expression and find the value of it. So let's start with the C part. So C is 3Q minus 4S, where Q is given as minus 2, S is given as minus 5, right?
Yeah.
So we can substitute 3Q minus 4S with these values. So this will become 3 times minus 2 minus 4 times minus 5. So you get minus 6 minus, so you get here 4 times minus 5 is minus 20, and minus 20 into minus you will get it plus 20, and then 20 minus 6 will give you 14. Am I right?
Yes.
Good. Now let's do this one. So I can directly substitute here. P is 4 and this is minus P. So I write minus 4. Then Q is minus 2. So you have to be careful. You have minus sign already and Q value is minus 2. So put a bracket and then put minus 2. Am I right? Clear?
Yes.
Then
Yes.
plus 3, and then plus again you see S is minus 5, so we will write this in bracket. Okay, now we open the brackets. You have minus 4, minus and minus give you plus 2, then plus 3, and then plus and minus is minus 5. So you get minus 9 plus 5, and hence you have minus 4. Any doubt in this?
No doubt.
Very good. Now, hmm, okay, now we will do this one. R times 2p minus 3q. R times 2p minus 3q. So we know the value of R is 3, p is 4 and q is minus 2. Let's substitute all of these values in the given expression. R is 3, p is 4, minus 3 is, and then q is minus 2. So be careful about these signs. And then 3, you get 2 times 4 as 8, and minus 3 times minus 2 will give you plus 6. Hence you have 3 times 14. So 3 times 14 will give you 42. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do this one then. R to the power of 4 minus Q to the power of 5. So what is value of R, you tell me? We have to substitute R with
P.
R 3.
4.
3. R is 3 number.
Okay.
Yeah. And that will be to the power of 4 minus Q is minus 2. Right.
2.
So
Yeah.
minus 2 to the power of 5.
5.
Yeah, so 3 to the power of 4 will give you 81. And now you have to be careful here again. Since the power is odd, so this answer you will get in minus itself. And 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So this will become minus 32. Got it?
Yeah.
So 81 and minus becomes plus, and then 32. So you have 113. Any doubt?
No doubt.
No doubt. Okay. Yeah. So, okay. So I think we can do everything. Now we'll do another one here. So we have F, R plus Q and P minus S. So let me substitute R with 3, Q with minus 2, and then P with 4 and S with, see, be careful about the signs. Now I am not putting bracket, I am writing them straight directly. And then 3, this plus minus is minus. And then here it will be 4 plus 5. So 3 minus 2 is 1 and 4 plus 5 is 9. So your answer is 9. Any doubt?
No doubt.
Very good. So I hope you are good to go with this topic. So please practice all of these questions. Okay.
Yes.